We have today in our midst Varun Krishan. Varun's an aspiring rap artist. He studied hotel management and then he went on to study journalism, and he also has a great talent for the musical arts. Welcome, Varun, to Elbite's interview of the week.
I'm grateful to be here. It's an honor to be here.
Thank you for taking the time out. My first question, Varun, is tell us a little bit about what made you decide to transition from a career in hotel management to one in journalism.
After I finished my class 12, like many people, like you're not sure what you want to do. And since I always had a passion for cooking, like in the weekends, I always used to cook up a great meal for my parents. And like I was always a foodie. So I thought like I wasn't sure what I wanted to do. And like people were like, okay, you can try out hotel management. And I did try it out. But then I realized that it was not something I wanted to make my career in. And within the first year only, I was said that I don't want to make my career in that, but I did complete it, and then I finally transitioned into something that makes me happy.
hmm So now that you have chosen to get into journalism, and also considering that you have, and I wish that you also continue to have this parallel career in music, to what effect are you planning to put your journalism degree to use?
So I want to become a journal. I want to become a tech journalist. That's what I am.
Mhm.
Like I'm very interested in tech. Like I have so many different things, but like I'm really interested in tech journalism, and that is something which I'm looking at, and that's one thing which I really want to take forward.
Tell us a little bit about your foray into rap music.
So that's a very interesting story. So like when I was like in class 7 or something, that time we didn't have like I didn't we, like people didn't have very good access to the internet. So like what used to happen was that all of my friends, we used to like just use these pen drives and all. And one of my friends, he gave me like a couple of music videos, and I heard Eminem had recently in 2007. Eminem was not in the scene, but he had like I heard a couple of his old songs. There was one song which by the name of The Real Slim Shady. There was this song which I've been hearing for my all my life, but I didn't know that was rap. And then from that moment, uh, I really went into hip hop. Like I started listening a lot of songs. I started reading about the culture, and it really like connected with me. And then a couple of years later, there were no smartphones at the time, but there were those feature Nokia phones. And I made a Facebook account, and I started doing rap battles online on all these Facebook groups and all. And I was really into rap like since a long time, but I haven't always like been pursuing it to the level that I would like to.
So you would say that lockdown has been a blessing in disguise for you, given that you've been able
Absolutely.
to further a long-held passion of yours?
Absolutely. So, like, I was just doing my post graduation and I came back home. Our placements got cancelled at the time because of the lockdown, and we all had to come back home. We were sent back. And then I was like free, and I was like, if I don't try my hand at hip hop now, I'll have the regret. I'll have the regret all my life. So I had to try my hand at hip hop, and I purchased a microphone and I set up a home studio. And I've been releasing, like, because of journalism, I have learned videography and editing as well. So now I make my own music, I edit it, and I put them up on YouTube without any team, without any backing. I'm like doing it all on my own. It's a
Excellent.
great high.
That's very good to know, Varun. I mean, a lot of people I know complain about boredom, about not knowing what to do. And it is something that I cannot fathom because I think on that front, I'm very similar. There's always something to do. And it's great that you were able to put your time to excellent use. My final question, Varun, is this. Going forward, and if music makes windfall returns for you, what would your next course of action be?
It would be to get into music like as a full-time career. Like music is like priority for me. Like I'm all like I have journalism as well. That's the like there's always good, like I would like to give this advice to all the upcoming artists that if you don't have a backup option when you're pursuing music, then that can really hurt you. For example, if you don't make it in music, because music is not a short career, but you should pursue music as well as you should have a backup option. So if you don't get big, you always have something to fall back on. But once I get big, like there is music is gonna be my life full time.
Very nicely put. I think the idea of backup is something that we should all have, considering the Black Swan event that we saw 2020 to be. I mean, who would have thought that we can be locked down away from our places of work for months on end? And backups, I think, definitely made their presence felt this year. But on that
Absolutely.
note, thank you so very much, Varun, for taking the time out.
It was
And
great to be have this interview with you. It was my pleasure.
our privilege too. Thank you again.
Thank you.